professional bedding cage installed for a private residence in Watermill, New York. This is a Premier Douglas, 70 foot long by 14 foot wide, 12 foot tall. The netting is hauled by steel cable running the whole length of the bedding cage. We also installed a double light shining on each side of the court. The floor we installed potting green grass and a synthetic turf fringe about 18 inches on both sides of the bedding cage. The fringe is an 1.5 inch pile height. And for the pitching mat, we installed a maroon color movable pitching mat. This can be adjusted based on the player distance from the side or from the back netting distance. We installed an iPitch spin ball pitching machine. This got to be the most professional, most sophisticated pitching machine. This is also used by many professional teams for their training. This is the latest professional bedding cage installed by Gappsi in Watermill, New York.